Welcome back to Pentagramprime, everybody. I know I said I was going to try to keep it strictly back to math lessons and everything, but I just this one's just a quickie. I really couldn't resist because when I started sharing all these stories, and even as I was making jokes about the whole thing, I really did think that this was a rumor. I mean, what kind of idiot goes out and buys toilet paper thinking that they're going to need it for a flu pandemic? Even as I was joking with friends of mine about how, hey, maybe I ought to sell my own toilet paper just to make a little bit of extra profit or something. I really didn't think that when I went out to buy, some couple of packets of rice, that I was going to see this strange, sad aspect of humanity right on my doorstep. Anyway, till next time, this is Pentagram Prime signing off.